Alright, it's day 4 and 5, technically, kinda, sorta, of 25 days of Christmas decorations. I'll show you what day 5 is, and then I'll show you why day 4 is on this video as well. So, first, it's a simple decoration. It is Christmas towels. Here's this one. This is more of a kitchen one. Here is just a nice red one. And here is a small hand towel with Christmas Sylvester. We have some other ones. We're just going to figure out where they are in the house. We'll throw them in the washing machine, get them in the rotation of towels and whatnot. Now, I will show you what day 4 was. And day 4 was done at night, and I fell asleep before I could put it up. So, here is what day 4 was. Wait, day 3. Day 4. Yeah, day 4. Alright, so I got all the cutouts for the Christmas story gingerbread house. Christmas tree. The fragile box. I should put it there. Did you see this one? Christmas tree. Fragile box. If you know the movie, you understood that. The pole. Kid gets his tongue stuck. The dad. That dude is a beast. The lamp. Oh yeah. Sorry. The bunny outfit. And I didn't think this was really worthy of getting its own cutout, but them taking the car home. Now let me show you how we are displaying it, sorta. So we have cats. So, let me turn the flash off. So, that's how we're storing it. Displaying it. Right now it's in the kitchen. Not sure where we're going to put it, but for right now, it's there. And we'll see where we put it on Christmas Day when we give you the full tour of the house on Christmas Day. Thanks for joining us for day 4 and 5 of 25 days of Christmas decorations. And like I've been doing through December 19th, back to Bragg's fundraiser for Paul's Assisting Veterans is going on. Click the link in the description to donate. See you next episode.